Selling on Amazon for many people presents an excellent opportunity to start and grow a company from the ground up. As the world's most successful online marketplace, Amazon enjoys most of the traffic these marketplaces get. Because of that, more and more people continue to join the platform with guarantees of making more money than when selling in a physical shop. And that's not all. Signing up for an Amazon seller account is a pretty straightforward process as long as you have the correct documents and haven't had a previous Amazon account closed or suspended. But here's the thing. Creating a seller account and creating your first listing doesn't mean you will hit the ground running. With more than 6 million third-party sellers on the platform, competition is fierce. You can only make it and register significant sales if you stand out as a brand. Your brand is what your potential customers will use to learn more about you, buy from you, and keep coming back. There are many ways to stand out, but the least talked about is through a logo. This video will examine how creating a logo for your brand on Amazon can put you ahead of the competition and our top 3 recommended logo design trends in 2022. Do I need a logo when selling on Amazon? No, you don't need a logo to start selling on Amazon, but it is an investment that will pay off in the future. A logo is a building block for all marketing efforts because it helps establish a unique identity that customers can trust. One of the ways you can sell on Amazon is through private labeling. With private label products, you can sell products from another manufacturer, but under your unique brand name. The second option is modifying an existing product and making it your own, or creating an entirely new product. As a private label seller, you'll sell under your own brand and can benefit from having a unique logo regardless of your fulfillment method. Why should you consider creating a logo as an Amazon seller? Everything about your product communicates something to the buyer and in some way influences their purchasing decision. But nothing speaks louder than a logo. Here are a few reasons to consider using a logo when selling on Amazon. Number 1, brand protection. Creating a logo means you already have your own unique brand, since it's impossible and even illegal to sell using someone else's logo. You can also apply for a registered trademark and join Amazon's brand registry program. Amazon Brand Registry is designed for sellers just like you. Through Brand Registry, you can enjoy brand protection from Amazon by helping you protect your content and intellectual property. When you have a logo in addition to Amazon Brand Registry, you can report marketplace violations, including IP and trademark infringements from black hat sellers and Amazon hijackers, report any issue with your seller account and listing, report and retract any IP infringement claims, escalate previously submitted IP or trademark infringement claims, enjoy the Amazon Transparency Program, which allows Amazon to authenticate all items you sell before they are shipped to ensure Amazon hijackers don't get on your listing and sell counterfeit products that tarnish your brand. Number 2, brand loyalty and trust. When you have a unique logo and sell genuine items, when people buy from you, it creates a lasting impression that keeps them coming back. On Amazon, most customers will search for a particular product from a specific seller because they've had a positive experience with that seller in the past. That's the kind of trust you want to build. And it starts with creating a unique brand that customers can identify with. Finally, make sure your products reflect that brand. Number 3, less competition. With 6 million third-party sellers on Amazon, a logo helps you stand out from the competition. Sellers who sell products under their own unique brand enjoy less competition. Even if thousands are reselling your product, customers will trust the actual brand first and buy from them before considering other sellers. Even in Amazon search results, your brand will appear first, followed by other sellers selling your product. Number 4, increased sales. It all comes down to increased revenue. When you have a trustworthy brand, customers will keep buying from you, thus increasing your sales. You can even take advantage and take your ASINs from Amazon to a brick and mortar store. After all, you've already created a brand that people can identify from anywhere. Now we'll take a look at 3 logo design trends to look out for in 2022. A well-designed logo keeps customers interested, creates trust, and proves your commitment to providing a quality customer experience to all buyers who come into contact with your brand. When you're creating a logo to use when selling on Amazon, consider the following. Number 1, natural and nude color options. It's perfectly fine to draw inspiration from existing logos, but ensure that your end product isn't a copycat of such logos, but a design that stands out and differentiates you from your competition. If there was ever a year for natural and nude color palettes, 2022 is it. Consider adding natural tones to your logo to inspire effortless luxury to your audience. This minimalistic palette offers a luxurious, organic feel that appeals to markets of all ages and all demographics. Number 2, easy to read fonts and applicability. The logo you use should speak for your brand. However, it also needs to reflect the interest of your customers. If your competitors are already using logos, do your research and find out what is working for them. Is there a logo style that seems to resonate more with buyers? Use that information you find to create an applicable logo that sets you apart. Fonts are all the rage in 2022, and a major way to differentiate your brand from hundreds of other sellers on Amazon. Clear fonts offer eye-catching imagery that is easy to read and scroll-stopping. Number 3, stand out with gradients. Your logo should captivate the eye within milliseconds. That's why gradients offer the perfect blend of scroll-stopping views to stunning imagery that meets the eye. Try using multicolored gradients for a refreshing effect that not many Amazon brand logos are currently inspired by. Gradient logos are a great way to stand out on Amazon in 2022. Play with colors and shapes and create something that grabs attention from the get-go. But here's the thing, don't go overboard with the colors. 2 to 3 gradients are enough, and avoid overly complex graphics. Creating a seller account and listing your products isn't enough to succeed in the world's largest e-commerce space. You need more than that. The best way to stand out from your competition is by selling under a unique brand name. And with a brand name comes a logo that identifies your brand to your customers. All in all, ensure your logo is simple, memorable, and applicable, and above that, back up your brand by selling quality products. In the end, no matter how good your brand or how beautiful your logo is, if your products don't reflect this, all your efforts are really going to come to nothing. It's always best to leave logo design to experienced professionals. Contact us today to get started on a scroll-stopping logo that will be remembered on and off Amazon for years to come.